Have you ever wondered how to read minds and influence people without them even realizing it? Let me show you 5 dark psychology tricks that can change the game. 1. If you want someone to feel attracted to you, look at their lips while they talk. But if you want them to feel small and intimidated, stare at their forehead. It's subtle, but insanely powerful. 2. Want someone to believe your lie? Add an embarrassing detail about yourself. Why? Because it makes the story feel more real. Like, who'd make up something that makes them look bad? That's why it works. 3. Instead of saying, "I'm sorry," when you mess up or take too long, say, "Thank you for your patience." This shifts the power dynamic. You're no longer apologizing. You're making them feel seen for waiting. 4. Can't decide between 2 options. Flip a coin. But here's the trick. Focus on how you feel while the coin's in the air. That gut reaction tells you what you truly want. Follow it, not the coin. 5. Want to slip past a gatekeeper? Walk in like you belong. Shoulders back, head high, no hesitation. Confidence is your camouflage. Most people won't even stop you. These mind tricks are subtle but powerful. Want more psychological hacks? Hit like, subscribe, Mr. Mind Code, and stay tuned because we're just getting started.